go to the left. Come on, you gunners. Let's do this. The Emirates tonight. Come on, you gunners. We gotta do this tonight. You know what I mean? Arsenal versus Burnley. That's it. Come on, you gunners. Let's do this thing. You know? Yeah. We'll go inside in a minute. Tonight, this is it. Got it short, got it short.
About to be replaced by number 36, Martin Zubamendi. Please remain in your seats, show a lap of appreciation.
This season and continue to make strong progress as well. How proud are you of yourself and your teammates?
Yeah, really proud. I think it's been an amazing season so far. We have one big one left here and then the Champions League final obviously, and we want to take the trophies home. Yeah, it's been amazing and just a little bit to go now and we're going to give it all and yeah, we have to keep going.
Well, yes, you mentioned those two big trophies. It is a huge couple of weeks for this football club. You must be so hungry to achieve something really special with this group of players and with these amazing supporters.
Yeah, for sure. I can promise you all that we give everything we have every single day, and we're going to keep going until the very end, and with your support we're going to be ready.
You mentioned the support that these guys have given you. They are amazing, aren't they? And they've really fueled our success this season.
Yeah, they've been amazing. I think especially these last two home games, you know, arriving at the stadium, seeing everything outside, and then the atmosphere inside here is amazing. So let's get ready for the last two, and thank you so much.
Best of luck with the next couple of weeks, Martin. We are right behind you, our captain, our leader, Martin Odegaard! And now, Emirates Stadium, will you please welcome our manager, Mikel Arteta! Mikel, it has been an incredible season so far because there is still work to do. And here we are, our final home game of the season, so I understand you would like to say something special to our special supporters.
It's an absolutely joy to witness the transformation and what the contribution of each of you have had to turn this place into the most beautiful place to enjoy and play our football game. the soul of this football club, and each of you contribute to that. So make sure every time you step in this stadium, you face the responsibility to keep it at these standards, because it makes such a difference for us and for all these players. I want to thank you all. I want to see you soon in Selhurst Park, and for sure in Budapest as well. Please, to the protagonist, to this amazing group of players and staff that they have put so much work into, a big round of applause, please.
Well, right now, please remain in your seats to celebrate our incredible team as they begin a lap of appreciation to thank you for your incredible support. For the final time this season in N5, let's hear it for the
No, we're not in the box today. We're in the club lounge. In the club lounge. Leaving it up, mate. Fucking hell, mate. 1-0 to the Arsenal. 1-0. That was too much. Fuck me. Yeah. Okay. Too much. This is too much, man. Too much. Whoa, at least we won. That's it. 1-0. It's good enough.
And I say to him, I'm like, he's chill. Do you know what? I don't want to miss the game.
Yeah, with AFTV, you know we go. Yep. AFTV out here.
Okay, I ain't going to do
Belgium.
That's what you want. Yeah, but if you're going, it's fucked. One nil to the Arsenal. 1-0 to the Arsenal. 1-0 to the Arsenal. 1-0 to the Arsenal. 1-0.
judges there. Me judges. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, we got Smarty Marty.
Your boy, you remember? No respect, blood.
Yeah.
A long one tonight, you know.
Yo, he's saying my brother, you good, yeah?
Listen, I'll take it right now. I know what he's on about. I'm taking it tomorrow. I'll have it tomorrow. Anything can happen. Red card, anything. That's nearly happened tonight. It nearly happened tonight. And according to I haven't seen those people. It was a red card. Those people are going to criticise that. What I would say is, when we should have, when that offside against Brentford happened, for payback. You know what I mean? These things go around. We deserve it. It's been a tough watch this season, but ultimately, if we win it, who gives a fuck? Like, do you know what I mean? When we all set these corners, we're going to do it. I can't say, Robbie. You know I can't say. I'm not going to say anything. But what I will say, one thing I do want to give, I thought Bukayo Saka was brilliant. And that whole thing about world class and all that corner that he did, people forgot about that was unbelievable. Also, when we were watching off at the start of the season, grinding out the results, that's how it felt. And people are criticising Burnley, which they did well. They were really up for it. It was a resilient performance, exciting, probably with the Champions League as well. What's happened to this club? Like, you've seen it. And wait, everyone, let's give Robbie a round of applause. Everyone, and manager 2027 behind the camera people, the people you don't see, Marty, Cecil, all of them, bro. Joey, they've done unbelievable job. And what you've done, Robbie, here, people, and James will tell you this, and people who come regularly, they'll tell you this, they've created an unbelievable community. We've met the most wonderful people from all over the world. We've met friends from all over the world. And it's just so beautiful.
Robbie is a wonderful human being.
And that's it, and that's true. And those of you who don't know, I want to tell you this, yeah? People might criticize Robbie this guy's here till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning talking to normal Arsenal fans, bro. He's got work at 5 o'clock, he has to drive back. But he does it, bro. That's what you call a real fan. Let's hope we can work out for us and big up. Let's get the Champions League and come on!
See you later on, guys. See you later on.